Hey, welcome back. Yeah, I just want to talk about the reasons why you're thinking about getting on YouTube, but it's something stopping you from getting on YouTube. The reasons that are stopping you from getting on YouTube has no power over you unless you give it power. Let's go for a walk. Those reasons that are stopping you from getting on YouTube and sharing your message or sharing the information that you want to share, it's all in your mind. It's all in your mind. Because let's dissect this YouTube that you so dearly want to get on, but fear is stopping you. Let's dissect it. You're going to take your iPhone or Android. I don't know where you got an Android, but I'm not hating. But if you got a phone and you have the video access to your phone, press record, pick the topic you want to talk about, and get on YouTube. You already created the channel because you commenting on my video, so that means you have a YouTube access to comment, so that means you have a channel that you haven't set up yet, if you haven't set it up. So you already have access to get on it because you have a phone and you're commenting on my video. Make a video with the phone that's in your hand that you're watching me right now. Don't say you don't have a phone. You do have a phone. Why? Because you're watching me. So that's point one. Point two, what's stopping you? Nothing's stopping you. Anything stopping you is in your mind. You're saying you can't do it. If you say you can't do it, you can't do it because you ain't even giving yourself the opportunity to do the thing you say you want to do, which is get on YouTube. So this is what I want you to do. Get that phone that's in your hand, shoot a video. Because of the mere fact that you're watching me, hearing what I'm saying, tells me you want to get on YouTube. You're looking at everything else and you have your perception saying it's hard to do. It's impossible. Did you say that when you was taking those tests in school? Even if you failed the test, at least you tried. You might have tried out for the basketball team. You might have tried out for the football team. You might have tried out for the cheerleading team. They didn't pick you, but at least you tried. There's people who haven't even tried and complaining. But you tried. And since you tried and failed, you have a story that you can tell. And the story that you tell is that at least I tried. At least I tried to get on YouTube. At least I shot 4 or 5 videos. I got 25 people watching my videos. Oh, at least I tried. And you gave up. But you got to change your perception. Change your perception. You tried and got 25 people watching your videos. That means 25 people who never saw you before, never heard you before, never experienced what you said before, know you now. They know you now. And now that they know you, if you be consistent, 25 people more will know you. 50 people will know you. 100 people will know you. It will grow exponentially. I don't think I made that word up. I don't know. Tell me if I made that word up. But you know what I'm talking about. Just get out of your head and get on YouTube. Because you stopping yourself. You stopping your own growth. You stopping your own attempts from getting on. Because I felt it. When you have that idea in your heart that's resonating, that you say, man, I could talk about that on YouTube. I see so-and-so talking about it. I see this person talking about it, and they left out one important ingredient, and I can just flow with that ingredient because I experienced that. They talking like they never experienced it, but you experienced it. And you saying, you know you can talk about that, but then your mind say, well, how are you going to do it? You don't have a camera. You don't have a studio in your house. They look like they professionals, and you just got an iPhone. You just got your car. I'm here to tell you, all it takes is the idea in a phone and courage to talk your talk. Talk your talk. Don't worry about how you look. Don't worry about how you sound. Don't worry about if nobody watch. You're building a platform for those who will come and stay and feed off of the information, revelation, and inspiration that you're going to feed them with all those videos you have on your channel. If you have 50 videos on your channel, you have people that's going to come and watch these videos, and they're going to say, man, I could watch 49 more videos because of the first video that they saw. You only got 20 videos on your channel. They come and watch your first video, and they're going to be like, oh, did they have any more? Yeah, they got 19 more videos. But what if you got 500 people blow up your first video, or your second video, or your third video? Let's just say your third video blows up when you gave up. And they say, oh man, they got 2 more videos. I could watch the 2 more videos, but after the second video, they be like, man, they real good. And by the time you find out, those 500 people turn into 1,000 people, and you got 400 subscribers, and they're like, yo, where the rest of the videos? And you find out, you be like, oh man, I gotta make some more videos. And the time it takes you to make some more videos and get encouraged to make those videos, they're like, oh man, they ain't consistent. I just gotta wait till they come back. But I was so pumped up, I just gotta wait till they come back. And they're waiting, and they're waiting, and they're waiting. They find somebody else that's consistent. They're rocking with them. They're rolling with them. Yeah. That's why I want you to make your videos. Just make your videos, because you're going to be bad in the beginning. It's going to be bad videos. Trust me, it's going to be bad videos in the beginning. If you see the videos I made in 2012, which I'm not going to show you, if you type enough comments, type enough in the comment section, if enough of y'all type in the comment section, I might show you a little glimpse. I might show you a little glimpse, but they're in the archives. So just type in the comments if you want me to show you that first video I ever done on YouTube. And you can see how I was back then. 50 pounds, about 50, yeah, about 45 pounds heavier, among other things. And you'll see how I was back then. So if you want to see that video, type in the comments. If I get 100 of y'all to type in the comments, okay, if I get 50 of y'all to type in the comments, let's see that video. Let's see that first video. I might show it. So that's what I just wanted to talk about today. You got to get out of your head, because sometimes the things you're thinking is not true. You're causing yourself to get stuck and not shoot your YouTube video. So I hope I wasn't rambling too much. I just wanted to encourage you that you have what it takes to shoot a video. You have the ideas, you have the knowledge, you have the understanding and the wisdom, because the understanding is a bridge between knowledge and wisdom. You have all three. The only thing you need is the courage to get on YouTube and share it with the world. So this is my life. This is my experience. This is my time. God bless.